N plus is the number of electrons. It may be lost. Then suppose if it is a copper, Cu plus 1 or Cu plus 2, or silver, Az plus 1 or Az plus 2, like that. And number of electrons it took. Number of electrons it took. And finally it converted into the metal. From metal ionic state to metal solid state. Ionic state to solid state. But this is the reduction. While it is metal from the positive oxidation state to metal solid state is reduction. So during this reduction reaction, delta G is equal to minus NFE. Delta G0 is equal to minus NFE0. Hence, E is equal to E0 minus 2.303 RT by NF log concentration of metal solid by concentration of metal ionic state. So where E is equal to electrode potential under given concentration of ionic state of metal or metal ions and temperature. So E is the electrode potential under given concentration of metal ion and temperature T. E0 is the stranded electrode potential. E0 is the stranded electrode potential. R is the gas constant, universal gas constant. T is the temperature in Kelvin scale. F is equal to Faraday, it's equal to 1 Faraday. So here also F is equal to Faradays, E is equal to electrode potential. For pure solids or liquids or gases at 1 atmospheric pressure, the molar concentration is taken as unity. Because at pure state, molar concentration is equal to 1. Molar concentration is equal to, for pure solids or liquids or gases. So hence M is equal to 1. Equation further you can rewrite as a E is equal to E0 minus 2.303 RT by NF log 1 by concentration of Mn plus. Because here for pure gases or liquids or solids, M is equal to concentration of metal. Molar concentration of metal is 1, unity. Hence, putting R is equal to 8.314 joule, Kelvin inverse, mole inverse. Then Faraday F is equal to 96,500 coulombs. T is equal to 298 kelvins. So we are substituting with these, all these in the above equation. We will get E is equal to E0 minus 0.0591 by N log 1 by Mn plus, concentration of Mn plus. If in case of an electrochemical cell, A plus BB, I mean two different metals, number of electrons C plus DD. Then applying Nernst equation, we can get total cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.0591 by N log, same thing here, CC, concentration of C and then concentration of D by AB, where N is the number of electrons involved in the cell reaction. In anywhere, throughout this equation, N is here, previous one also. N is the number of electrons involved in the cell reaction. So hence you have to remember for future references too, you have to remember the next equation. E is equal to E0 minus 2.303 RT by LF, sorry, RT by NF log concentration of M by concentration of M ionic state. So further you have to remember where E is equal to electrode potential under given concentration of Mn plus ions and temperature T. E0 is equal to standard electrode potential or gas constant, T temperature in kelvins, F is equal to 1 Faraday. It's equal to, for this, if pure solids or liquids or gases at 1 atmospheric pressure, the molar concentration is taken as unity. Hence, the equation is rewritten as E is equal to E0 minus 2.303 RT by NF log 1 by Mn plus concentration of M. Here, if we are substituting all these things, R is equal to universal gas constant, that is 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse, mole inverse. F is equal to 96,500 coulombs. Then T is equal to 298 kelvins. We get E is equal to E0 minus 0.0591 by N. N is the number of electrons involved. Log 1 by Mn plus 1. So you have to remember these two equations. In future problems and then reference electrodes in somewhere, wherever it will come as a problems too, you have to remember Nernst equation, these two Nernst equations. This is very, very important. Then